Josh Law is still in elementary school, but already a rock star in the making.
I love to listen to Fleetwood Mac. I love Led Zeppelin.
We'll just call her a kid before her time.
I'm a hippie at heart. I love like the 70s, the 80s.
She also loves music and performing on stage.
My father got me a keyboard. I was messing around with it when I was like 8, and I decided, hey, I want to take lessons.
That was the beginning of a rapid progression of talent. Law now performing in the advanced Paisley Band at Bowling Green Rock Band Academy.
It's the most fun you can have and still call it work.
It's pretty great to see them be able to grab what instrument that is that gets them excited about music at such an early age.
Matt DeVore and Jordan Weiss created the Academy in 2019, both of them lifelong musicians.
My mom has pictures of me sitting on the kitchen floor with spoons in my hand, banging on pots and pans.
It's the only thing I ever wanted to do.
Weiss studied at Berklee College of Music in Boston, Massachusetts, before taking his musical talent to major cities around the country.
I lived in Detroit and New York and Boston, Chicago and Nashville, and then population 2,000, Auburn, Kentucky. I met my wife in Nashville. She's from Auburn, so I moved here.
A fateful decision that would impact the lives of young musicians in South Central Kentucky, including that of his son, Solomon, now 15 and a high school sophomore.
It's just exciting. Doing it with my friends and bandmates and really, really talented musicians just means a lot to me. It's a lot of fun.
What began as a summer camp grew into a year-long 4-semester program where kids learn how to jam together.
Each semester, 9 weeks of learning together in a group. And then by the end of each of these semesters, all of these groups that we've been working with are primed and ready to go to take the stage.
It's energetic, kind of like my whole lifestyle, energetic.
Cade Parker is a budding rock star at 16.
I love being around the music scene and just people that enjoy the same thing I do. I stay up all day and all night playing.
And it's what he's playing that inspired the name of the band.
Cade's guitar, he showed up for Limelight and said, "His name's Clifford."
Clifford and the Big Red Dogs getting a taste of the spotlight at the Winter Showcase.
You've got some that are born ready to get on that stage because they cannot wait to show off what they can do, and they're just born performers. And then you've got the other side that are just super nervous and real reserved.
It's often what comes after the performance that brings the most satisfaction.
They just feel a little prouder. They feel a little stronger. They walk a little taller.
Sometimes it doesn't go as perfectly as they would want it to go, but honestly, that's part of the learning experience too. If you're going to be a musician, you're going to have to learn what it's like to play a wrong note in front of a room full of people.
Rock Band Academy aims to recognize, nurture, and polish these musical talents.
A lot of them are prodigy level talents and overachievers and planning to go on with their music careers from here.
The Academy also strives to promote good communication, commitment to a goal, and a supportive community of creatives.
It's, in my opinion, the best way for them to discover themselves, discover who they are, to also maybe find their tribe or find people like them so they realize they're not alone in this world.
Just the feeling overall of the lights on you. I don't know how to even describe it. It's just awesome.
And as they say, you're never too young or old to rock. Bowling Green Rock Band Academy has also joined forces with other arts organizations to create the BG Amplify Foundation. The nonprofit offers scholarships and financial aid to help children participate in theater, music, and dance.
Watch full episodes and clips at KET.org, and you can also find Kentucky Edition on the PBS video app, on your mobile device and smart TV. And follow KET on Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, and Instagram to stay in the loop of all the great programming we have here on KET. And take good care.